If you're serious about drumming but want to keep it quiet at home, an electric drum set is your best friend. In 2025, these kits have become more responsive, feature-packed, and fun to play, with mesh pads, hundreds of sounds, and even digital learning tools built in. Today we're checking out the best electric drum sets of 2025, from compact, beginner kits to pro-level setups with Bluetooth, USB MIDI, and hundreds of drum sounds. Let's see which set will take your drumming to the next level. First up is the Donner DED200, a full electric drum kit designed for both beginners and advanced drummers. It features quiet mesh drum pads, 2 cymbals with choke function, and over 31 kits with 450 plus sounds. This set comes with everything you need: throne, sticks, headphones, USB MIDI, and even melodics lessons to help you practice and improve. The mesh pads feel surprisingly close to real drums, giving you a responsive and realistic drumming experience without the noise. In real-world use, the DED200 is extremely versatile. Whether you're practicing in your room or recording at home, the wide range of sounds and chokeable cymbals add realism and expressiveness to your play. For a complete, ready-to-play electric drum kit, the Donner DED200 is a top pick. Check the description below for the link. Next, the Alesis Turbo Mesh kit is perfect for beginners, or anyone looking for a quiet, compact setup. This kit includes mesh drum pads, drumsticks, and connection cables, along with 100 plus built-in sounds and even drum lessons. The quiet mesh pads are great for apartment or home use, providing realistic rebound without disturbing the neighbors. Its simple setup makes it ideal for anyone who doesn't want to deal with complicated configurations. In testing, the Turbo Mesh kit delivered smooth responsiveness, and the built-in sounds were surprisingly diverse for practice and casual jamming. It's an affordable way to get started on electronic drums without sacrificing quality. If you're a beginner looking for a quiet, easy-to-use drum kit, the Alesis Turbo Mesh kit is a solid option. Check the description below for the link. The Donner DED80 is a compact electric drum set with 4 quiet mesh pads, 180 plus sounds, 2 pedals, and everything you need to get started: throne, headphones, sticks, and melodics lessons. This set is perfect for small spaces or drummers who want a portable, practice-friendly kit. The mesh pads provide responsive feedback, and the variety of sounds lets you experiment with different genres. In real-world use, the DED80 feels like a serious practice kit, giving you realistic pad response and plenty of options for creative playing. It's also easy to fold and store, making it ideal for home practice. For a compact, versatile electric drum set with plenty of sounds, the Donner DED80 is a great choice. Check the description below for the link. For those who want more power and connectivity, the Alesis Nitro Max kit is a fantastic option. With quiet mesh pads, a 10-inch dual-zone snare, Bluetooth, USB MIDI, and 440 plus authentic sounds, this kit is perfect for home recording, practice, or jamming. It also comes with Drumeo lessons, giving you guidance on how to improve technique and rhythm. The mesh pads are responsive, and the dual-zone snare allows for expressive drumming, similar to acoustic kits. In real-world testing, the Nitro Max kit performed excellently for both beginner practice and advanced drumming, and the Bluetooth feature makes it easy to connect to your tablet or phone for music playback. If you want a feature-rich connected drum kit with tons of sounds, the Alesis Nitro Max kit is a top choice. Check the description below for the link. Finally, the Donner DED70 is a solid starter kit with 4 quiet mesh drum pads, 2 switch pedals, Type-C charging, and 68 plus sounds. It also comes with a throne, headphones, sticks, and melodics lessons. This kit is portable, making it perfect for practice at home or on the go. The mesh pads are responsive, providing a realistic feel without loud noise, and the included sounds give enough variety for beginners or casual drummers. In testing, the DED70 performed well as a starter kit, offering responsive pads, portability, and easy setup. It's ideal if you're just starting out or need a practice-friendly solution for a small space. If you're a beginner or need a portable practice kit, the Donner DED70 is a great choice. Check the description below for the link. No matter your level, there's an electric drum set for everyone in 2025. Check the description below for links to all these kits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which kit you'd pick.